I head inclusion and diversity for North America at Sanofi, and that includes not only inclusion and diversity, but also equal employment opportunity and total well-being. Charlotte and I first met going on more than 3 years ago. We sat on a panel together in Chicago, and we got stuck in the airport for hours after the event, and that's when I learned about WOCIP. And this was before the first conference, and I was hooked upon hearing it. So I went to the first conference. This is my third. Last year, Sanofi became a sponsor of the conference, and we're happy to continue that this year as well. Probably the biggest issue for women of color in particular is within organizations, it's hard to have your own network. And you don't necessarily go around looking for people who look like you and say, hey, we should talk. So I think WOCIP gives a natural place for people to go and express what they're going through, talk about their challenges, share their aspirations, and really get to authentic conversations without having to put on airs that sometimes happens within a corporate space. Secondly, I think WOCIP, because of that network, it really bolsters everybody's confidence and reminds us all why we're so awesome. And that awesomeness should propel us to obtain whatever it is we're going after from a career standpoint. So it's the network, but then it's also the confidence that comes through having people boost you up all the time. WOCIP is a critical partner. If you're looking for a way to really nurture and develop and really support the women of color within your organization, there's no better place, particularly within our industry. And for me, I like to swim with the current. Why create something from scratch when there's already this beautiful organization that exists that you can tap into and learn from? And for us, that's really what it's been about. And I think for individuals, if you're already a member, see what you're taking advantage of or not. What are you leaving on the table for your membership? A lot of women become members of WOCIP and they don't fully embrace the opportunity to have a coach or to lean into the real talks. But see what you're doing now and see if you can't just up it a little bit going forward.